Hey, thanks for joining me for the second video of the 7 shirt project. Same design, but 7 different upcycles. Today, vintage scraps.
Okay, I want to make a shirt out of this, out of this what I think is vintage fabric. It reminds me of my childhood, which would have been in the 70s. And it's all just little pieces, so I'm going to have to sew things together, and in order to cut all my pattern pieces to make the shirt. This is the biggest piece I have. And then I've got some that are really long, but they're narrow. And so far I've ironed them all. And now I went into my cupboard and tried to find things that would match with it, which is hard because I never go to the thrift store and buy just plain fabric. I only buy crazy fabric, but then it's hard to match them with only other crazy fabrics. But what I have that I think is going to work is this shirt. I think it's going to work. And then I also have some orange, which might be too bright. I don't know if I'm going to use it. And then the white I can use wherever I want. I've ruled out this light yellow and light pink because I think they're just too... The pink might be okay, but I think the yellow is... And then what I really want to use is this. I think this is amazing, but it's too thick. This is a really thin fabric and this one's really thick, so I don't think that's going to work either, which is so disappointing. I'm going to keep in mind that I need to buy more striped colored fabric because it could be useful in the future. I'm trying to learn as I go, you see. And then I think this would be okay. This might work. I wish I had this exact blue, but I don't. And I'm going to keep this around. I don't know that I'm going to use it, but you never know. So, let the games begin.
Chugga, 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 chugga. Ooh, ooh. Mm-hmm. Thanks for visiting, guys. Join me next time and I'll show you all the fabrics I chose to upcycle into shirts and how I packaged them for the seamstress, and probably also how the shirts turned out. Bye for now.